So
is that it?
I need to get it up. It's collapsed that much.
From where? How? How do you fix that? How's it looking on the other side? Like, is there somewhere you can plug it into the other side? Look, see, it's not that deep, Steph. Look at the husky having a little sleep. Just gets worse, eh?
I swear every time I look it up, I'm like, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, but it's like...
We look better in the dark.
Maybe we could go... Should we go to Canmore at night time?
In there. And then frame it out.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like...
Well, we got a plan. We got a plan at least.
It's gonna be like $1.5 grand.
It's fine.
Tools.
Well, we're not just going to give up.
Tools. Things. That's gonna raise this side up.
Yeah. It's already happened now. You might as well, like, follow through with it. The fact that everything else in the car is, like, amazing.
Insurance, if we can, like, we'll get them to cover just the, like, the aesthetic side of things, and I'll just do the structural side of things. Saying this because this is how I feel. Maybe turn the camera off. How is this attached on?
Let's just go.
The toilet, just smack that thing. I need something to actually, I can put my mind at ease. It's not great, but saying that is like, I found where, like, obviously a weak point.
Yeah.
Well, not a weak point, but because I was like, fuck, I don't know how I'm gonna get this straight.
Wait, you're not cutting off the screws, are you?
No, it's a nail.
Well, that's what I mean. You're not
It's
cutting...
gonna hold it.
What if it falls down?
No, it's for this year.
Huh?
They must have screwed the on or whatever. I need to take it out.
What?
I need to take all these out.
It won't fall out, though?
No,
But why, though?
so that's where that existing screw is.
It's holding a team.
I don't think it's holding anything, to be honest.
The wood might break. Wow.
used to be a huge gap there. There really used to be a huge gap there.
I didn't really look in there, but I trust you.
Push it up.
You're amazing. That's our foundation. Yep. And that's the most important part. I was just looking then, the wall is like less important. And if we get at least the ground good, like that's a good start. Nice. Now how are you gonna keep, are you just gonna leave those blocks there or are you gonna put new blocks? Take a little video of you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just drawing up some measurements. Yeah, we cut.
This?
Whoa, that's pretty good. Is that any jack? Wow, that's insane. I'm using your phone for now, but
beam up here, which is obviously gone. We can flip that piece out. There's a beam here. There's a beam over this corner.
How do you know?
Because I can tell this right there. There's a beam there. There's a beam there, and a beam there. So.
Are you taking this off?
Yep.
Ugh.
We have to.
Yeah.
So
you're gonna make
this
a
corner
mess.
first, and then just go through that way, sort of gently.
Yeah.
I've also opened up this just so we've got fresh air coming in.
Yeah.
So
That's going to be a lot of waste. I want to show us up another bin bag.
Yeah. But that is perfect.
Yeah.
Remember, twist and everything. That's the door's closed. I mean, we just stepped in there, so
It's crazy. Considering how it was. Does this thing still move heaps or no? Whoa. That's insane.
Framed.
It's crazy.
Honestly, I don't know about this thing. Yeah.
I guess once you rip this top layer up, you'll be able to see what's what.
I'm keeping the foam there.
Yeah.
And then this is just whatever else. Oh, probably for the ladder.
The ladder's falling off anyway. Bless you. The ladder's holding on by a thread. Probably because of this.
Honestly, you see this coming out. You're recording that?
Yeah.
Oh. Look at it, it's still wet.
Is that where the ladder is?
Yeah. Holding on to it.
Oh, yeah. Why are you putting it on the ground outside?
Because I don't
Where I
want
just swept.
Because I don't want him to go in here. Maybe you actually set a bin bag off the school. Will probably be the last day for Home Depot.
Okay.
Like, we may have to come on Wednesday, but I think if we came on Wednesday, we'd probably go to the Records after that. So.
Yeah.
And then figure out waterproofing and everything.
Well,
But,
do we even need to go to the wreckers yet?
well, I need to get a wheel.
Or would they might not even have it? Shouldn't we go to a tyre place?
Tyre can't fix the wheel. The tyre's fine. We need another wheel though. It's bent.
A rim.
Yeah.
Oh, a rim is not a wheel is a
yeah.
rim and a tyre.
Yeah. You're right.
Well, shouldn't we just contact some tyre places?
Nah, because it's a special type, and apparently they don't make them anymore.
Okay.
Well, that's
We could still
literally-
call them first
that's
before we
literally
drive
what
really
we did.
far.
That would literally just fell out. So. That.
Well, what's the plan? But are we going to have a back of a van if you pull this out?
Timber there, timber here. And then this is going to shoot into that. Put a beam here, a beam that's going to go across here. So
Does Paul
What-
Car Garage have someone that films for him?
yeah, his partner and his son, JD, and whatever his name is. So I think, for all intents and purposes, we should probably put a beam here. That's really going to solidify.
Sideways.
Yeah. Here. Eventually, we'll have to cut this out
What
because
is
this
that?
is where the hot water
Is that the insulin?
insulation. yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Well, the hot water service goes here, right?
Yeah.
I don't. This is pretty much the structure at the moment.
Yeah.
This is really just holding everything up.
So we need something stronger for the
So we
hot
need
water
to
system.
build it. Start here. This is going to connect this up, and also we need
Will
to.
the hot water still fit in?
No, we'll have to cut it all out after. But
Why don't we
need
just
to-
cut the
No.
insulation higher right now?
No, because this is structural. This is pretty much holding everything up in this.
Oh, was that not there before?
Yeah, and this
Okay.
is also like. This is
The hot water's not as important.
the hot water will go in.
But right now, anyway.
Just that this is a square. I mean, let's be honest. Well, Jesus was a carpenter.
Really?
Yep.
Are you sure? Man, can't believe you were climbing on that ladder.
I feel like.
It's very thin, if you can see this much of the screw.
Yeah. Suppose I didn't fucking like falling.
Imagine if you fell off.
We need to
That's
put
not funny.
So.
Yeah.
Guys, you should have seen it before. I don't know if I had footage of it, but it was like falling apart.
If you go to every battery that I own, Caitlin,
Yep.
just click on this button here, and that's the battery light.
And charge some.
Yeah,
Yep.
so that can go. Every time I step on that, it kind of brings a bit of a smile to my face. It's like, that was it.
Why did you just reset on that?
It kind of brings a bit of a smile to my face going,
Yeah.
yeah,
That you did all that.
I fucking very clear when it comes to,
But we did it.
hell, maybe by the weekend, and I'm probably am getting too far ahead of myself, but we can go to IKEA, look for kitchen or something
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
what I was thinking too. Just for fun.
And then just need a sheet for that. We need to fix up that timber, and then
What timber? Oh yeah.
this
yeah.
one here, that was straight away.
That there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And get everything inside kind of half done. She's ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, because this is not that hard.
Honestly,
it looks
like-
scary right now, but that could come
Honestly,
together.
how much have we just like pulled this around?
Yeah.
It fucking blows my mind. Alright.
Considering like how bad things were at the start. Like this looks worse than it is. Like once you put a wall and then things back in, the cabinetry back in, it'll be fine.